Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share a little tutorial how to edit video on Canva application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Canva application. Here I just finished my project, so let's start a new project just by click this three small lines here, and after that create a new design. And I will just click a video. Okay, and after that, after you find one, just need to choose which video or which ratio that you want to have. For me, I just want to have this, and hold on until it's being okay. So now we're already active or able to access all of the features that provided by the Canva. Since I already have the video, so I want to go into the camera rolls, and I just need to click a video. Now you can explore which video that you want to add into the canvas. Okay, for me I want to have this video, okay, or this video, and after that just click add page. Now we already know that the ratio is quite different. We can adjusting the size by doing this. Just make sure that the video is really fulfilling all of the ratio of the canvas that we chose before. Okay, like there. And after we finish, we can also adjusting the length of this video. Let's say we want to cut it here, so just need to click it, and after that click split, and now we just need to delete the rest. Okay, let's check. Okay, and since this video is quite too long, let's see, and I want to make it stop here, so we just need to click it and then split. Okay, and after that just need to choose which part that you want to delete, this part or this part. I want to delete this part, so I just want to click this, delete. And now we already have this video only for 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, so if you want to add another video, just click add, and then after that you just need to click plus, go into the camera rolls, go into the video, and exploring which video that you want to add into the canvas. After you finish, you just need to click add page. Now we can adjust the size just like previous one. Okay, if you feel it's quite too long, the duration, you can just doing the same things like before. Let's check. Okay, now we already combining two videos on a canvas. If you want to use another features, just need to click plus and explore everything, every features that you can access on canvas here. That's all the way how you edit video on a Canva, guys. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.